Hello, good morning students. We are discussing about the applications depending on the fluid mechanics, particular law of flotation and Archimedes principle. See, one application is on the whiteboard and that application is a piece of metal weighing 45 Newton. So 45 Newton in here. So what is the metal piece is there and the metal piece has weight 45 Newton in air. Okay. And 28.3 Newton. And 28.3 Newton. When fully submerged in the water, means suppose a water is there, suppose this one is the water, this one is the water, and a metal piece is there. So where it is at in the air medium, then its weight has 45 Newton. But when this emerge inside the water, then it has weight that is 28.3. Means a metal piece is there. If it is in air, then it has weight 45 Newton. But it is submerged in liquid, or we can say in water, then its weight is 28.3 Newton. Now determine the specific gravity of the metal. Sometimes the questions may be asked, you have to find the specific gravity of the metal. If we have to find the specific gravity, how we can find the specific gravity? So what is the actual meaning of specific gravity? The specific gravity means what? Yes, density of solid upon density of liquid, or we can say density of liquid or density of water. So now see, exactly specific gravity, we have seen one concept. That concept is if we want to calculate apparent weight. So apparent weight W is exactly equal to the difference between actual weight and buoyant force. We have seen in theoretical part that is apparent weight of the object is exactly equal to the actual weight of the object minus buoyant force. Now see, actual weight of the object is always equal to V rho g minus what is the buoyant force? It is also V rho g. V rho, this rho stands for density of water, so that's why we can put at the suffix W, stands for, indicates what? Water into G. So this is what? Apparent weight. So this is about apparent weight. Now these equations can be written as, so we can write this equation like this, that is buoyant force is exactly equal to actual weight minus apparent weight. So the difference between actual weight and apparent weight, it indicates what? Buoyant force. And buoyant force is exactly equal to V rho g. It is rho for density of water. Okay. Now see, actual the meaning of specific gravity. Specific gravity, that is actual weight, the ratio of actual weight upon actual weight minus apparent weight. Okay. So actual weight of the body, or we can say the metal piece, the actual weight is, yes, actual weight, that is V rho g upon, that is actual weight minus apparent weight, that is V rho. This rho, you should remember here, this rho stands for what? Density of water, that is the liquid, into G. So this term, so these terms will be cancelled here. Only remaining terms is that is W upon W minus W is actual weight, ratio of actual weight upon difference between actual weight and apparent weight. So this total term is exactly equal to what? Rho upon rho W. Okay. So this concept is called as this whole concept is called as what? Specific gravity. Specific gravity. Whole concept is called as specific gravity. Means sometimes in case of fluid mechanics you have to calculate specific gravity. So at that time, what you have to do, just you have to done like this. That is this is the main concept. That is apparent weight. That is actual weight minus buoyant force. Buoyant force can be written as the difference between actual weight and apparent weight. So you should keep in your memory that is the buoyant force and apparent weight. Okay. So using these concepts, we conclude that specific gravity is equal to what? W upon W minus W here is equal to rho upon rho W. So what is the value of the weight? Actual weight is given. So actual weight is this one. So this one is actual weight and it is present in the air. Okay. Apparent weight, this one when it is inside the water. This is the apparent. Okay. Apparent weight, that is specific gravity is equal to what? Specific gravity is equal to actual weight upon actual weight minus apparent weight. So actual weight is given is 45 upon actual weight 45 minus apparent weight. Apparent weight is 28.3. So here simple multiplication is simple calculation is here. So its answer should be that is 2.69. So 2.69. So this is the specific gravity. So this will be the specific gravity. Just you have to do what? 45 divided by 45 minus 28.3. This 45 minus 28.3, 45 actual weight and 28.3, that is the apparent weight. Okay. So you should know the concepts behind it. So another applications are there which will solve in our next videos. Okay, till then, thank you.
J प्रक्रिया कहो J चला चालू क्या चालू है ते
So this is the specific gravity, that is 2.69, and you should remember how we can calculate the specific gravity. The specific gravity is W upon W minus WA. W stands for what? Actual weight divided by actual weight minus apparent weight. So you should know about the buoyant force and the apparent weight. Apparent weight should be indicated by W minus FG. W means what? Actual weight, and FG means what? Buoyant force. Okay. So So next applications will be, that is, an object floats